Hey guys, welcome to this playthrough of Because He Lives. I just wanted to give a quick PSA that the lead guitar part on the top half of the screen is probably going to look a little bit weird during the instrumental turns. You're going to see that my hand isn't moving during certain parts, but you're going to hear the notes shooting up. And the reason for that is I'm using this octave pedal. This is the Pitchfork by Electro Harmonics. And I'm basically using the latch function on here so that when I engage the bypass here, it's going to shoot up by a fifth. So here's just a little clip of what that sounds like during that instrumental turn. So just wanted to give you that quick heads up. If you don't have an octave pedal like this one, you can easily just slide up to that fifth instead. But anyways, hopefully this is a helpful resource and I will see you in the next one.
Heal and forgive. He lived and died to buy my pardon. An empty grave is there to prove my Savior lives. Because He lives, I can face tomorrow. Because He lives, all fear is gone. Because I know He holds the future, and life is worth the living just because He lives. How sweet to hold a newborn baby and feel the pride and joy He gives, but greater still, that calm assurance this child can face uncertain days because He lives, because He lives, I can face tomorrow, because He lives, all fear is gone, because I know He holds the future, and life is worth the living just because He lives. I'll cross that river, I'll fight life's final war with pain, and then as death gives way to victory, I'll see the lights of glory, and I'll know He